go through 1999 here, and welcome back to Huyton. Well, I don't know the last time I really spent here. It was quite a while ago, I think. Actually, I can't even remember the last time I filmed here. But anyway, as we are at Huyton, there's quite a lot of stuff that's going on here. Well, we've got 319369 that just left with the delayed 1302 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Wigan North Western. I think the delay was caused to extremely slippy rails, because you could hear it slipping away like an absolute bugger there, and it took like about 6 minutes to get down here. Also, for God's sake, this wind. Anyway, let me just like this way on the side. EMT 158, a double EMT 158 just passed with a diverted service to Norwich and Nottingham from Lime Street. So anyway, we should be seeing services by Virgin, East Midlands Trains, TransPennine and Northern, and a few rail tours as well, because we're looking. So let's see what shall arrive and depart here at Huyton. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, pulling in now is going to be the 1315 Northern service to Preston. I mean, Liverpool Lime Street. It's not going to Liverpool South Parkway today due to works between Liverpool Lime Street and Liverpool South Parkway. That's why it's diverting. So it's 319378 with a new livery. I'm an old man now. Trying to get my lens off, it's horrible. Anyway, there goes 319378. Off to Liverpool Lime Street now. Okay, pulling in now is going to be the 1320 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Wellington Bank with a pacer and a 156 on the front. I mean, no, a pacer at the front and a 156 on the rear, new one. Train now approaching platform 3, does not stop here. Anyway, we've got 142051 at the front. Oh God, sorry Ben. And we've got 319 something on the 1315 Northern service to Wigan North Western. Also, we should have an MPV passing or a TransPennine service to Stalybridge, because there's works between Stalybridge and Huddersfield because of Network Rail being absolute. Let's just say they're just working, let's say. They're doing their job. TV? You love that, don't you? Wait, where is this? I want to get a picture of these two together. I want to get something on platform for... Yes!
Camera, I'll do the picture for you.
No, it's my camera. That means that you will take the picture, essentially. But anyway, there's 142051 leaving. Here's... Oh well, that was crap. That was the worst photo I've taken in my life, but oh well. Anyway, there was a 185 of some sort. What was the rear of that? 156? Did you have any idea?
Which?
The 156
yeah,
on the
488.
488 sound.
Oh 0151 0252, one of them.
What? It was DR81.
Record?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Right, it's either
Go on, Liam, you do it.
DR 989 and it'll either be 01,
Yeah.
02, 03, 04, 05 and so on.
Yeah. Hey. Maybe. You'll say maybe if I switch it on.
04.
Hey, that's perfect. Thanks, man. Might just use that. So it's 904. DR 98 904. There you go. Good God. And they are 9895. Okay, passing through now, it's going to be a 319 to Manchester Airport. $319,363. Fortunately not flashing the beats. What? Okay, then pass through now, it's going to be our Pendolino, our first one. Actually quite a lot of spotters here, out of all places. Right. For God's sake, games, keep this steady. Will it fly through or will it crawl? No, it's going to crawl through. Yeah, it's crawling through that. $390 128, City of Preston. What? Alright.
No, we can get rid of the camera.
Alright, sound. What? I can't hear you because I'm deaf. Okay, passing by now is going to be a 319 for Liverpool Lime Street from Manchester Airport. 319383 in a new livery. Just noticed that. Never flailed in that one.
No, I didn't have enough time. Here's another one.
Oh, and there's
Stopper.
yeah, it's a stopper Wigan. The 1333 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Wigan. Yeah. And then behind us we've got quite Sutton. We've got an old liveried 319. Would you class it as old now? I would. We got 319 386. Is this the only one in this livery still? Because this is the only one that I know where it's in this livery. Because all the other ones are just dead. And anyway, there's 319 374 now going to leave to Liverpool Lime Street on a Wigan diagram again. And we got 319368 off to Manchester Airport with the 1335 service. Okay, passing through now is going to be a EMT 158. Single one, actually. God, that's doing the beans.
847?
Yeah, no, it's 847, but... Oh, I thought that Wigan was on platform 1. I was going to say, I don't really want to see a SPAD. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 1340 northern service to Preston from Liverpool Land Street on platform 4. So strange to see it on platform 4 now. Still getting used to it, but it's still cool to see. You can just get some nice shots actually, not gonna lie. Maybe if I switch my camera on that might work. Oh, what a shot. Okay, leaving now is going to be 319265 to Preston with the 1340 service. From Liverpool actually, of course. There's something passing by, but I don't know what it is. Is it a Pendo? Well, you've got better eyesight than me, I can say that. So, anyway, there we have a Pendo passing by for London Euston from Liverpool Land Street. I don't know what the hell's going on with my voice today. I think I'm dying. Right, if I mount that perhaps there. Do. And if the wind would like to stop, thank you. Oh, hello. $390,104 with the Alston Pendolino livery. Everyone's favourite. I don't like it personally. That's because... oh well. Okay, hopefully if my tripod can sort of survive. Oh sweet. So this is a Helbit.
Warrington Banky.
Okay, okay then it's the Banky then. There you go, it's the 1349 service. Run to the squad. Yes, the wind! No, no, no! Now, now, now! 150, 149. Oh well, that was crap. And also we've got the 1345 Manchester Victoria service coming into Liverpool Land Street. Well, coming into Huyton to go to Liverpool Land Street. I'm just taking pictures of that 150. And here we have So there goes 150-149 with the 1349 to Pocket Key. There's the 1345 to Liverpool Lamb Street from Manchester Victoria arriving in. Normally tripod's doing okay. Okay, leaving now is going to be 319 at 377 to Liverpool Lamb Street from Manchester Victoria on the 1345 service. Okay, arriving in now should be 55. Northern says to. That's the one. Wigan North Western. $319,369 again. Okay, passing through in a minute is going to be the MPV. Nice little tone there. Oh, nice. Even though I got a really crappy photo of it, but oh well. And there goes 319369, leaving with the 1355 Northern service to Wigan North Western through the Bull Lamb Street on the new platform 4. Okay, passing through now is going to be a 185 from Stalybridge on its way to Liverpool Lamb Street. $185,147. Okay, passing through now is going to be the ECS to Helsby. It's on a red. Oh yeah, it is. So it's gonna just like, yeah.
I think it's 215.
215.
I think it is.
Perhaps. Well, what, don't these go on Manchester's and then go to Helsby forming another service?
It goes to Chester, Swaption, and then
Oh, yeah. Fair enough.
It is 215.
It is 215. Okay, 150, 215. Now I'll join you on that actually. There's a bit boring going on first class on your Todd, I'll tell you that. I'll tell you what you need to do. VTEC first class. Did you see my video on that? Oh, the seats are the best. Virgin Trains East Coast, if you can hear me.
Viewer's discretion, this video is partially Huyton and Virgin East Coast and
No. Wait. Yeah, that's it. That's a whole point of train spotting. Now, Virgin Trains East Coast, can I recommend you something? Can you do a Huyton to London King's Cross service, please? Thanks.
Now, parental guidance. I really suggest that this should be a 15 age limit for the swearing.
God's sake. I nearly said the other one. But children do watch this. I know. And anyway, we've got a 319, is that it? 367. There you go. Banging like.
Sorry.
Okay.
I'm tired.
See. Okay, passing through now is going to be another 185. This is the last training I'm going to record with commentary because there's rail tours. I sort of want to record that silently. So, like, the video will still continue, but it'll just be some different stuff. One 777 and 158 813. So yeah, there you go. Oh, that smells nice. There you go. The calves. It's height, exactly. It's just about to say. So what is it? We got 66.
Yeah.
That looks like it's gone quite quick actually. God's sake! Oh! That sounded good. Let's record. That was some good stuff. People take offence to them. She's great.